Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. Two fishermen are recovering after separate incidents at sea that they say ended in chaos and confusion. Both men recount encounters with guard vessels that allegedly collided with their boats, leaving them injured and temporarily hospitalized and raising fresh concerns about safety on the water. Romarda Lyons reports.
Wounds, scars, blood drawn, boats destroyed. Two fishermen left in a net of worry after near-death experiences at sea. Immediately, you'd think shark attack. This is 60-year-old Nazreen Bagwandeen, arm in a cast, fingers broken. He was fishing in Mountain Harbor in St. Thomas on April 23, 2026 at night when a Coast Guard vessel crashed in his boat.
A Coast Guard vessel run actually over my vessel, sinking my vessel, giving me a broken hand. I have to be pinned.
He recalled hearing the noise from the vessel and waiting to be acknowledged.
I heard a vessel coming out of the harbor. Then I noticed it was a routine check where them not really pass way and them not check way. So I waited for the vessel to come up. Unfortunately, I hear the vessel get a bit louder. When I checked to really look around, it was actually over me, the vessel was.
Narrowly missing a potentially deadly hit to his head.
I took in away my head. This is how I got this injury. Breaking my left hand, 4 fingers. The vessel sink and come up back with me 3/4 with water.
Lloyd Edwards, who's been fishing for 48 years, had a similar experience on May 7, 2026 in Morant Point, a little distance from Port Royal. He shows bruises and scrapes on his shoulder.
When I look around, I hear a vessel come to me. I look around so it down on me and lick me over. When I realize, when it run up on me and I hear everything crack up, I find myself in the water. When I look up, when I float up back, I see a vessel over me.
It was jumping out of his boat that saved his life.
Then I try to reverse. As I reverse off, all I could do jump, hold on upon him, the shine part and where him engine is and jump into them boat. I was peeing up all over there. I have to work on myself. What them do? Carry me to public get an injection and take an X-ray, nothing more.
Both men said they were told they could not be seen because of a lack of light. But Mr. Bagwandeen contended that could not have been the case.
They actually float the vessel trying to explain to me that they didn't see me because they didn't see any light. Now, as I would say that my vessel cannot fish without a light on it, because then you string hook and line, and without that light you can't see what you're doing. So it was so unfortunate that they are saying that I didn't have a light.
Mr. Edwards admits his was off, but says it was 6 a.m.
But I know after the Red Bull, I don't even know what's on it. I did reset all the while.
And you had a light?
I did have a light. I have my light, but it's a light time off because when 6 o'clock daylight out, just in time early, put on my pants ready to take back.
Oh, but, so to you, them early bright time, they should have seen you.
Yeah.
Both now plunged into financial setback and uncertainty.
I can't go back to sea with a broken hand where pin up my hand up to now.
So how that affect your finances?
Up to now, I can't tell you how I'm going to survive for another couple of days, much more for the month and the year to come. Because my vessel had gone down, my engine had mashed up, and I'm still in a pinned position where I have to be still seeking my way out to get help.
My livelihood gone. I asked them to help me. I hear that the boat floating out there. It's them same one go and take it up for me. When them take it up, no engine. The boat over Coast Guard right now.
Both men said the incidents were reported at the Marine Station. Now a report obtained confirms such on May 7, 2026. Romarda Lyons, TVJ News.